Remove the M10 central, the power supply and the mains cable from the packaging. Connect the mains cable to the power supply and to the electric outlet. Connect the power supply cable to the central. It only goes in one way. The LED on the central shows it turned on. Unpack the external buzzer. Thread its cable under the table. Connect it to the central. The light on the bottom of the buzzer turns on. Remove the sensor from the packaging. Thread the cable under the table. Connect it to the central. You can use any of the free ports on the central. The white LEDs in the sensor turn on. When you press down the tamper switch on the sensor, it starts arming, which is shown by the fast blinking red LEDs on the sensor and in the corresponding port of the M10. The arming takes a couple seconds. If you release the tamper before the beep, the central will not alarm. Find the ideal sensor stand position. Remove the liner from the adhesive surface on the bottom of the stand and adhere the stand to the table by firmly pressing it down. Remove the liner from the adhesive on the bottom of the external buzzer and stick it to the table by firmly pressing down. The key reader part of the buzzer should be facing away from the customers. When turned anti-clockwise, the buzzer can be removed. To prevent this, use the wave key. Push it in the slot on the left side of the buzzer. If necessary, you can adhere the M10 to a surface using the adhesive pads on the bottom of it. It is recommended to hide the central, the cables and the power supply from easy access by customers. Slide the cable ties through the two slots prepared for them. Place the razor on the holder. Tie the cable ties around the razor and tighten them. As soon as the tamper switch is depressed, the sensor arms. Cut off the excess lengths. When there is a theft attempt, the alarm goes off. To turn off the alarm, use the black on/off key supplied. This turns off the entire central, so it is mandatory to turn it back on if there are any more products being protected by it. This is why using the blue merchandiser key is recommended. To remove a product without alarm using the on/off key, you first have to turn off the central, remove the product and turn the central back on.